Welcome to ISO Para, a global learning platform for mechanical design. Today we are going to learn about the Certified Online Progressive Tool Design Course Plate Type 1 project in CATIA or UGNX. Let's begin. First, we see the demands of this course in the market. If we talk about the industry, in the field of press tool design, a rapidly expanding demand exists across diverse industries including automotive, aerospace, electronics, agriculture, and beyond. Skilled design engineers specializing in press tools play a vital role in shaping intricate components and addressing complex challenges through advanced surfacing techniques, harnessing the capabilities of cutting-edge software like CATIA and UGNX. As industries undergo continuous evolution, the essential requirement for talented design engineers persists, serving as a driving force behind innovation and ensuring the seamless development of high-quality products through effective press tool design. Now, if we talk about the jobs in the market. In the dynamic automotive industry, characterized by fierce competition and a constant influx of new car variants, press tool design stands out as a critical profession. With a focus on innovative interiors and exteriors, especially in the realm of plastic parts, skilled professionals are in high demand. This challenging yet rewarding field not only offers competitive salaries but also ensures stability and ample opportunities for career growth. Choosing a career in automotive design means embarking on a fulfilling journey, contributing to the ever-evolving landscape of automobile aesthetics and functionality. And finally, if we consider future growth then. In the era of electric and hydrogen fuel cars shaping the future of automobiles, the focus in press tool design is on enhancing vehicle efficiency through weight reduction, creating captivating interiors and exteriors, and ensuring robust strength. The increasing use of composite materials has elevated the demand for skilled plastic product design engineers. In this dynamic landscape, professionals are not only promised opportunities for innovation but are also presented with the chance to contribute significantly to the sustainable evolution of the automotive industry. Now, we see about the Progressive Tool Design Course Plate Type 1 project in CATIA or UGNX at ISO Para. Let's begin. Welcome to the Progressive Tool Design Project course at ISO Para, an innovative program thoughtfully designed by industry experts to nurture the skills of aspiring tool designers and engineers. In this comprehensive course, participants embark on a practical journey that focuses on designing progressive tools, a specialized type of tooling used in metal stamping and fabrication processes. With a strong emphasis on real-world applications and hands-on learning, our Progressive Tool Design Project course equips students with the expertise to create efficient and high-precision tooling solutions. At ISO Para, we believe in the power of experiential learning, and thus, our project-based approach immerses participants in industry-relevant challenges. Under the guidance of seasoned professionals, students tackle progressive tool design projects from concept to completion, gaining invaluable insights into tool geometry, material selection, and production optimization. Our instructors, who have extensive experience in the field, foster a collaborative learning environment, encouraging creativity and innovation. Graduates of this course emerge with a deep understanding of progressive tooling concepts, prepared to contribute to the automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing industries with their expertise in designing cutting-edge tooling solutions. Join ISO Para Progressive Tool Design Project course today and take the leap toward a rewarding career in the world of precision engineering. Now, we see what this course includes. This course includes 15 hours on-demand video, 2 downloadable strips, 1-to-1 live support, access on laptop and mobile, certificate of completion, lifetime access, and many more. Now, we see the number of stages of what you will learn in this course. First is Introduction to Press Tool. Gain an initial understanding of press tools, exploring their essential role in manufacturing processes and applications. Explore the diverse operations performed by press tools, showcasing their versatility in industrial settings. Second is Basic CAD methodology for press tool design. Introduce the fundamental computer-aided design methodologies specific to press tool design, emphasizing efficiency in the design process. Third is press tool design overview. Provide an overview of press tool design, covering key components and considerations necessary for a comprehensive understanding. Fourth is press tool design guidelines and calculations. Outline the guidelines and calculations essential for press tool design, ensuring precision and adherence to industry standards. Fifth is strip layout creation. Master the creation of strip layouts, a crucial step in press tool design influencing material usage and manufacturing efficiency. Next is raw strip selection. Explore the process of selecting raw strips, optimizing material utilization and minimizing waste in press tool design. Next is method plan creation and implementation. Develop method plans for press tool design and implement them systematically, ensuring a structured workflow. Next is drawing creation and update automatically. Explore techniques for drawing creation in press tool design, focusing on automated updates for enhanced efficiency. Next is analysis. Conduct clash clearance analysis to identify and rectify potential interferences within press tool designs, ensuring smooth operation. Next is selection of MISUMI standard parts. Explore the process of selecting standard parts from MISUMI, streamlining the integration of high-quality components into press tool designs. Next is design and calculation of simple tool blanking. Learn the intricacies of designing and calculating simple blanking tools, a fundamental aspect of press tool functionality. Next is design and calculation of piercing tool. Explore the design and calculation processes for piercing tools, crucial for creating holes and apertures in materials. Next is design and calculation of trim tool. Understand the design and calculation aspects of trim tools, essential for cutting and shaping materials in press tool operations. Next is design and calculation of forming tool. Master the design and calculation techniques for forming tools, pivotal for shaping materials into desired configurations. Next is design and calculation of draw tool. Explore the complexities of designing and calculating draw tools, integral for forming materials into three-dimensional shapes in press tool applications. And the last is 20 downloadable exercises and 10 CAD tests. Engage in practical exercises and CAD tests, providing hands-on experience to reinforce learning and assess proficiency in press tool design. Now, we see why to choose this course, its importance and benefits. Let's start. First is specialized expertise. Gain specialized knowledge in designing progressive tools, a crucial skill in metal stamping and fabrication industries. Second is hands-on learning. Engage in practical, project-based learning, allowing you to apply theoretical concepts to real-world tool design challenges. Third is industry-relevant projects. Work on industry-relevant projects, preparing you for the demands and complexities of the professional field. Fourth is mentorship from experts. Receive guidance and insights from industry experts, honing your design capabilities under their tutelage. Fifth is versatile career opportunities. Acquire skills that open doors to diverse career opportunities in automotive, aerospace, and other manufacturing sectors. Next is precision engineering. Master the art of precision engineering, ensuring the development of high-quality, efficient tooling solutions. Next is problem-solving skills. Enhance your problem-solving abilities by analyzing complex tool design scenarios and finding effective solutions. Next is team collaboration. Develop teamwork and collaboration skills through group projects, mirroring real-world work environments. Next is optimized production. Learn to optimize production processes and improve efficiency through well-designed progressive tooling solutions. And the last is professional recognition. Obtain a valuable skill set that can lead to increased professional recognition and career advancement within the industry. Now, we see what the prerequisites required for this course are. Let's start. First is computer proficiency. Basic computer skills, using a keyboard and mouse, and managing files, are essential for an online learning environment. Second is technical drawing knowledge. Understanding technical drawings, engineering principles, and design concepts will aid in comprehending press tool design methodologies. Third is curiosity and eagerness to learn. A curious mindset and eagerness to explore new concepts will enhance your learning experience and motivation throughout the course. Fourth is access to CATIA or UGNX software. Ensure you have access to CATIA or UGNX software or an environment where you can practice the course exercises and implement the design methodologies. Not having access, contact our technical team. Next is computing power and specific hardware. A computer or laptop is required before starting to learn an online CATIA or UGNX course. Operating system is compatible with Windows 7, 8, 8.1, and 10. A minimum of 4 GB RAM is necessary to ensure smooth performance. Next is internet connectivity. A stable and reliable internet connection is required to access the online CATIA or UGNX course materials, tutorials, and interactive sessions. Next is CATIA or UGNX basics. A basic understanding of CATIA or UGNX user interface, sketching, and part design tools will provide a solid foundation for the course. Next is knowledge of fundamentals. Fundamental knowledge of press tool designing is required before starting the tool design projects. And the last is time management. Online courses require self-discipline and effective time management to keep up with lectures, assignments, and interactive sessions. Now, we see placement assistance. ISO Para's placement assistance works in 4 steps. First is attain mastery through comprehensive learning. Acquire expertise with our comprehensive course, gaining valuable insights and skills for a transformative learning experience. Second is crack CAT challenges. Ace the CAT test, clearing the first round hurdle with precision and expertise, propelling you towards success in your journey. Third is conquer technical interviews. Excel in the technical interview to successfully navigate the final round, opening doors to career advancement and securing your desired position. And fourth is secure 100% placement in OEM and Tier 1 industries. Attain career pinnacle by securing 100% placements in top-tier OEM and esteemed Tier 1 industries, ensuring professional success and growth opportunities. Now, the final is placement support. ISO Para provide placement support to all learners through following ways. First is resume building. Our team assists you in crafting a compelling resume tailored to the skills you acquire and aligned with industry requirements. Second is job seeker profile. We aid in building an appealing job seeker profile on popular job portals and LinkedIn, capturing the attention of HR professionals. Third is mock-up interviews. To refine your interview skills, we conduct mock-up interviews, providing valuable feedback for skill enhancement. And the last is CAT test check. Review your CAT test, embrace feedback, and enhance your skills. Turn insights into growth for continuous self-improvement. Hence, this is all about the Certified Online Progressive Tool Design Course Plate Type 1 project in CATIA or UGNX. Now, if you are seeking counseling from an industry expert, then feel free to contact us. Thank you.